As you do your shoulder car, make sure that you generate full body tension to start. Externally rotate as far as you can. Adduct across the body as far as you can without rotating. Pop that up overhead. Let the shoulder blade elevate slightly, but try not to excessively elevate and no need to forcefully depress. Once you max out your shoulder flexion, you're going to start to internally rotate the shoulder, simultaneously moving it into full extension. And so the entire movement should be filled up with smooth, continuous internal rotation. No rotating the torso whatsoever, no kind of elevating and twisting around the arm. You're trying to trace the line of your shoulder capsule. So your car might look like this. It might look like better than mine. It's your individual shoulder. On the reverse, it's the opposite. You internally rotate, go up into extension, and then travel whatever the path is, externally rotating to flexion. Continue external rotation as you adduct across the front of the body back to neutral.